Here are the instructions for Activity 1, Lesson 1. So you're going to click on the Lesson 1 tab here on my website, and you're going to scroll down to Activity 1 and click on this link here. This link will then bring you to this site where it says Sign in to open. In order to access this activity, you need to sign in with a school email or any other email, or you can even create a new one. Then, this site may ask you for a class ID number. If it asks you for a class ID number, the class ID number is 146198. So let's go ahead and sign in. See, I already have an email here. Stay signed in. So if you have this pop up on your screen, you're going to click yes, because the other activities that I've created are also on this site. And then this Very Hungry Caterpillar story map should pop up for you. So for this activity, all you have to do is click and drag sentences from the bottom of the screen into the correct boxes, beginning, middle, and end. You put 2 sentences in each box. Once you are done, you can click the Done button at the top and then move on to Activity 2.